Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi with gochujang paste easy method. Start by slicing and salting napa cabbage to draw out moisture, then rinse and drain it well. Mix gochujang paste with garlic, ginger, fish sauce, and a touch of sugar to balance heat. Massage the seasoning into each leaf, ensuring even coverage. Pack tightly into a jar, leave a little headspace, and ferment at room temperature until bubbly and tangy. Mix gochujang paste with minced garlic, grated ginger, fish sauce, and a pinch of sugar until smooth and fragrant. Taste and adjust levels of heat, salt, and sweetness to match your preference. If you want more texture, fold in shredded daikon or scallions for crunch. Keep the paste thick enough to cling to cabbage leaves so every bite has balanced flavor, then proceed to coat the prepared cabbage thoroughly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help me make more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: for storing kimchi or meal prep, try leak-proof containers that seal tight and prevent messy fridge spills. They really save time and stress. They're perfect for packing portions and keeping flavors contained, and they make sharing kimchi with friends easy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Press the seasoned cabbage firmly into a clean jar, leaving 1 inch of headspace to allow expansion during fermentation. Ensure brine covers the cabbage to prevent mold, and place a weight or clean cabbage leaf on top if needed. Ferment at room temperature until you see bubbles and the flavor turns tangy, then refrigerate to slow fermentation. Taste periodically and refrigerate when it reaches the acidity you prefer.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.